Hello friends! So I got December's Loot Crate about a month and a half late, just kidding, only a couple days late. I was in vacation, so yeah, anyway. How the heck? I did it.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be trusted with this. So this one's on anniversary. I have no idea. I didn't watch any other Loot Crate videos, so I don't know what's in here. Alright, so first off, we got, what is this? Guardian of the Galaxy socks. Let's check these bad boys out. Okay. So, they're green and black. Oh, they have Groot on them. Look at that. I am Groot. Nice. They don't look very warm though. Alright, that's the next thing we got. We got the anniversary pin. It's pretty nice. It is gold.
Alright.
Look at that. December 2014. Marvelous. Alright. They broke my candy cane. A broken candy cane. I'm sad. Okay, let's see what else. Just lots of stuff in here. I'm trying to not grab the big stuff. Alright. Okay, I see Simpsons. I think this is what, it's one of those Mighty wallets, I think? Yes, Mighty wallets. You can put... I heard about these, but... Looter, 10% off. You can use these codes. Cool. So if anybody wants 10% off Dynamite, it's good through March 31st, 2015. And they sell wallets and shenanigans like that. And another coupon. And what is this? Okay, just shenanigans talking about the wallet. It's got all the pockets in it. The only problem with these ones is that I have a lot of cards. So I don't think I'd really be able to use this very well. Anyway, let's see what else we got. We have a Captain America Avengers Assemble Vanilla Air Freshener. I was almost about to open that. Glad I didn't. So now my car can be Justice fresh. You know it. Alright. This is just the little magazine. And it comes with it. Full beans. Now what's this? This is a Tetris sticker set.
Alright.
Shaped stickers and design booklet with patterns to make letters and other shapes. 147 stickers. That is really cool. I think I could find a use for these. Yeah, see they have them like all on the bags and stuff. That's pretty neat. Alright. What do we got here? Door hanger for Ghostbusters door hanger. And a Crunchyroll 30-day free trial. We'll probably use this. I did not go on Crunchyroll yet. Let's see. Alright, so here's a little big box in here. We got the Joker pop thing. And from what I heard, the pop one and this one is completely unique. You cannot buy it anywhere else. So this is actually a pretty rare figurine, the Joker Batman. That's really cool. I like it. I like Loot Crate. You always get neat stuff that you can't get anywhere else. Alright. I think this is the last thing in here. Yes, it is. Batman Endgame. This is I think this is a comic book that has a unique Loot Crate front on it. So can't buy it anywhere else. That is nifty. Alright. And that is it. So if we look in the box, of course they did something cool. It's got like a little Batman cave thing going in there. You got like a little spot for his car, and looks like some stuff pops out on the side here. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this stuff out. Take a look after. Right. Why is this so difficult? Okay, figure that out later. But yeah, it's got little suits in there and all kinds of cool beans. I love the crates. They're so neat. Anyway, so that's December's Loot Crate. Hopefully I get next month's actually in time before the next month happens. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.